Hi, I have officially jumped on the beef tallow for skincare bandwagon feet first. This stuff is so great, and I want to tell you about this one. I received this one from the company so that I could try it out and then tell you all of the really great things about it. So let's get right into it. It looks like this. It has no scent. I don't smell anything. Not even that unscented scent that some products have. Nothing. Okay, it looks like this, and it is quite thick in the jar, but as soon as you start rubbing it into your skin, it starts absorbing just right away, and it feels so nice. I already put it on my face before my makeup, and it feels so good. So here's something I want to tell you. This is really important. These are the ingredients in order. Beef tallow, grass-fed, organic honey, raw and unfiltered, jojoba oil, beeswax. The jojoba oil is cold pressed, unrefined, and then vitamin E. That's it. That's it. That's all that's in this. So this stuff is so good. The honey is organic. The tallow is 100% grass-fed. I mean, this stuff is so good, and it feels it's already absorbed into my skin. It feels really nice. So this is a really good one. If you're thinking about doing beef tallow on your skin, don't be afraid. I promise. Don't be afraid. This is good stuff. Thanks. If you've tried beef tallow, I would love to hear about it. Please put it in the comments, your experiences, and maybe what kind you use. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.